Ready to make your mark in Lagos real estate? Discover the step-by-step guide to securing your piece of land in Nigeria's vibrant metropolis. Begin by defining your purpose, whether it is residential, commercial, or investment. Clarity is the key to a successful land purchase. Research thoroughly to identify suitable locations, considering factors like accessibility, development plans, and land appreciation potential. Engage with a reputable real estate agent or lawyer specializing in land transactions to guide you through the legalities and due diligence process. Negotiate wisely to secure the best price and terms for your land acquisition. Did you know Lagos is experiencing rapid urbanization, making land acquisition a prime investment opportunity? With careful planning and expert guidance, buying land in Lagos can be a rewarding venture. Ready to take the first step towards land ownership? Start your journey today and unlock the potential of Lagos real estate. I am Charity Mbachu, lead real estate consultant in Lagos. Thank you.